Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Trains Per Network. Enjoy the trains and West Central.
Look at that! Aha! Welcome back, 400! Welcome back! Here she comes, folks. Enjoy. Ding 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 ding. Also, guys, please be ready. The jump scare train today. So be ready for your ears, because this horn is horrible, and it's probably worse than winter. See this house, fancy. Darn that horn! That thing is so foul. Here come the Lhasa, guys. There you go. Thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy, hit the like and subscribe. And as always, peace out.